Hello? Tori? They must be done! Yippee!
Did Aloo finish?
She must have. Otherwise, she and Tori would still be here. And that means Bumpy Wheelie is good to go for a monster truck test drive!
But shouldn't you wait until Aloo tells us Bumpy's ready?
The test drive is to help Aloo. How else is she going to know if Bumpy's truly monster truck ready? Come on!
Well, if you're sure, yeah.
Bumpy Wheelie, let's go! This is the perfect place for monster trucking.
Rocky terrain, obstacle course, and there's a great big mud puddle.
Bumpy Wheelie, monster truck, please.
Oh, maybe Bumpy didn't understand you.
Bumpy Wheelie, I said monster truck, please. Huh? No, Bumpy. A monster truck with great big wheels. Ah! No, your back wheels have to be big too. Ah! Bumpy, all your wheels need to be big.
I think something's wrong with Bumpy Wheelie.
Maybe he needs to get used to being a monster truck. Bumpy Wheelie, let's go monster trucking! Whoa, Bumpy! Bumpy, no! Stop! Come on, Bumpy! Stop! Whoa, Bumpy! Okay, Bumpy Wheelie, just stay here. No, Puppy. I mean Bumpy. Stay. Come back!
Who's ready for cherry berry muffins?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bing Bing. Here comes the mayor.
Bing Bing, you really should watch where I'm going.
What's up, Mayor?
What? Oh! Play Rangers! June Beaver needs you right away! She and her truck are stuck in Moody Mud Pits!
The mud there is really deep.
We better get there right away.
Driving through big, messy mud pits? This will be a great test for Bumpy Wheelie Monster Truck! That is, if he's ready.
He should be, just as soon as I install this communication pod I've been working on.
In that case, it's time for teamwork time!
But where are Boing and Mongbar?
And where's Bumpy Wheelie?
I have a feeling if we find Boing, we'll find Bumpy Wheelie.
But Bumpy Wheelie doesn't have his communications pod. What's he going to do without it? Wait, I hear Boing. That way, let's go!
Bumpy Wheelie, stop!
Boing, I wondered if you noticed that Bumpy Wheelie wasn't quite ready to drive yet.
Yes, I know that now. I'm sorry, Aloo. Because I couldn't wait to drive a monster truck. I made a mess of things. I hope you can fix him.
I can, if I can get this communication pod installed.
And you've got to do it fast. June Beaver needs Bumpy Wheelie to get her out of the mud pits.
Oh, no! Then we've got a mission. We've got to catch Bumpy Wheelie, install that component, and get to June Beaver as soon as possible. Play Rangers?
It's Stickworm time!
Okay, everyone knows what to do. Elu, you're standing by, ready to install the pod. Tori, Seesaw.
Got it.
Your turn, Bing Bing. Get Bumpy to follow you.
Come on, Bumpy, catch the bouncing ball!
Ready, Mongbar?
Ready.
All finished.
Bumpy Wheelie, monster truck, please. Let's go to the mud pits and rescue June Beaver.
Thanks for your help, Play Rangers.
Play Rangers rule!
And so does Bumpy Wheelie!
Now that the mission's over and Bumpy's pod is installed, it's time for some real monster truck driving fun. That is, if Elu says he's ready.
He is.
Yay! Bumpy Wheelie!